Y'all, what's going on? It's your boy JV. You already know what's going on, man. Welcome to my channel. We finna get it popping. I want you to do one thing for me. I want you to stop. I want you to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Support. And I support everybody who supports me. And yeah, we finna get it popping. So let's get it. I am about to do something that I've been waiting to do for a little while now. Couple months, you know what I'm saying, in some weeks. I'm going to firsthand show y'all and go through the process of getting rid of my dreads. I'm going to comb all of my locks out right here, right now. And y'all about to see everything go down. I saw a lot of videos, I've seen a lot of clips of people do this firsthand, you know what I'm saying? Certain people do different methods. They cut their hair, just get rid of it. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to cut my hair. I want to keep my hair. Professional locticians give me advice on how to go about this. And really, if you're thinking about combing out your locks, speak to a loctician, a professional hairstylist who has done it before, and speak to them about what they think you should do. My loctician advised me that I'm probably better off doing it myself. She told me all the tools that I needed, you know, everything that I should do to go about it properly. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all everything and we're gonna get things popping. First thing that I did was I went and washed my hair, but I didn't wash it with shampoo. I washed it with conditioner. I went in there and I conditioned, and then I rinsed, and then I conditioned again. I repeated, and then I rinsed it again. I can show y'all the product that I used. I use this right here. Not sponsoring them, not sponsoring the video. But this is Ultimate Detangler by Naughty Boy. Yeah, for maximum hair detangling and conditioning. And so I just used it to condition and really loosen up my dreads, which it did. You can see how I went about it. But if you want to, you can use really any conditioner, detangling conditioner that loosen up knots and dreads. But this isn't an official product for combing out dreads. It's just for detangling and conditioning. And so this came in like yesterday for me, so this one it's what I used, and I had great results in the shower. Right now my hair is still soaked. You want them to still be wet, so it's soaking my back right now. So I've had my dreads now for 5 whole years, and so and some months. You know what I'm saying? I put this on just to keep everything real. You know what I'm saying? Keep everything still as it hydrated, moist, whatever you want to say it. Some people don't like that word moist. You know, some of y'all throwing up right now. I'm gonna stop saying it. Combing out their dreads, they cut the tips off just so they can get a looser end, so they can really start, or they cut off a lot so it go by faster. But the thing about me is I want to keep and retain as much hair as I can to the end of this process. And so really I'm just gonna be no cutting whatsoever. This right here, this isn't sponsoring the video either. I'm not sponsoring this Miracle Moist conditioner. A lot of people use it. I think it's the sulfate agent in this. Don't quote me, but I believe it gives it a lot of slip. You want a lot of slip, and you know what I'm saying? So you can detangle those knots in the dreadlocks. What my loctician recommended me to do is she went about this like she was stressing this. Coconut oil. She said go get coconut oil. I have here extra virgin coconut oil, all organic, cold pressed and unrefined. I have a rat tail comb with a metal pick on the end, you know what I'm saying, and all these little detangling teeth in it to really work those knots. But for now, at least I have my water spray bottle. I had another spray bottle. Don't come for me in the comments for the small water bottle. I had my big water bottle, but it vanished out of anywhere, out of nowhere, and so I'm left with this small little bottle. So let's get lathering it up. You know what I'm saying? Especially I'm taking my rat comb and I'm gonna start working it. I see that. Combing it out. It's pretty long. It's pretty straight. I ain't gonna lie. It's pretty straight, especially with the shrinkage that's on it right now. What's up, y'all? I'm back. I had to take a little break. But look, we finna change locations because I'm not finna be sitting right here up here like this.
Right here. Very stubborn.
I finally got through that knot. What I had to do was, though, when you get to a really tight knot, what you gotta do is you gotta go to the bottom. You gotta go to the bottom and you need to work your way up to the top so that you can scoot the knots through your hair and it'll come out in the comb and it'll just collect down here like that. What's up, y'all? This is day 2 and combing out my dreads, and I have probably about I got a couple more sections to go. What is up, y'all? I am almost done with my second section back here. I only got This is 5 more dreads. I got 5 more dreads to go, and I'll be done with the second section. I've been at this, I think, today for, let me see, give or take about 6-7 hours to get these together. What is up, y'all? Quick update to everything that's going on with combing out my dread. For combing out your dreads, if you're not somebody who can just sit down and do something for a long time and can make your time to doing something continuously over and over for a long time, then this is probably not for you. You know what I'm saying? If you can't do that, just go ahead and cut them off. My fingers cramped up. You know what I'm saying? I've been working so hard. So I busted out all 4 sections. So I busted out 4 sections of the 5. This is day 4, technically. I ain't gonna say 5 because 2 days ago that day didn't count. So I ain't doing nothing on a day for real. But this is day 4. And it's the day that I finished the rest of the dreads. So guys, I was finishing up with the rest of my hair, and a piece of my comb had chipped off. Y'all, what is up, man? Everything is all done, as you can see, and the process is over after 4 whole days, at least 12 hours every day at work combing the dreads out. It was very tedious, it was very long. My fingers got really cramped, my neck got sore, you know what I'm saying? My body was aching, I got exhausted. But, you know what I'm saying, it's all done. And so what I did was last night though, when I finished, I took them and I washed them, conditioned it, and then I put oils in it and just twisted them up. I just did a simple twist. Excuse me. I just did a simple twist real quick, you know what I'm saying, just to let them sit, and you know what I'm saying, because when they were done, they were a little bit dry. They were, you know what I'm saying, which, you know, is to be expected. You know what I'm saying, you're gonna have to really condition all the healthy hair that you still have, and really condition it and get it back to, you know what I'm saying, to where you want it to be at, you know what I'm saying. But you know what I'm saying, it's not bad at all. And you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna keep on working with it, conditioning, new styles. You know what I'm saying? This ain't no style, it's just something to hold me real quick. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? If you want to do it, just do it. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. And yeah. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. And also, if you want to see any more videos that you want me to cover, or anything at all, you know what I'm saying, just comment below or hit me up, you know what I'm saying. Let's do this thing. Peace.